Hey there, lovely viewers! Welcome back to Healthforyou, your go-to channel for fitness, wellness, and total body transformation. Today we're bringing you something powerful and practical. 6 highly effective exercises designed specifically for women that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. We all want to feel confident in our skin, boost our energy, and build strength. But with so many exercises out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why we've selected just 6 simple yet powerful exercises that require little to no equipment and can be done at home, whether you're a beginner or getting back on track. This routine is your stepping stone to a healthier, more toned version of yourself. Ready to take the first step? Let's dive in!
Downward dog pull. This exercise is a fun twist on the classic yoga downward dog pose. Think of your body stretching like a waking dog. And if you've got a pup at home, don't be surprised if they try to join you. Here's how to do it. Start on your hands and knees. Hands should be slightly forward of your shoulders, knees aligned under your hips. Tuck your toes in and press your hips back, lifting them into the air to form an inverted V shape. Now lift your left leg straight back and up, keeping it fully extended. After a few seconds, bring the leg in toward your chest. Return to start and repeat with the right leg. Begin with 2 sets of 10 reps per leg and increase as your strength improves. This movement works wonders on your lower body while also building core stability. Ball twist. Want a flat belly and stronger abs? This is your go-to move. Core strength isn't just about aesthetics. It's essential for daily movement and spinal health. To do the ball twist, stand with your back straight against a wall. Slightly bend your knees outward. Hold a medium-sized medicine ball at chest level. Slowly twist your torso from side to side, moving the ball along with you. Increase speed as you get more comfortable. This exercise strengthens your entire core, including those hard-to-reach side muscles, obliques, and improves flexibility and balance. Don't have a medicine ball? Use a water bottle or small dumbbell. Tabletop leg extensions. One move, multiple benefits. Tabletop leg extensions are ideal for targeting your core, legs, and back muscles, all at once. Start by getting into tabletop position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Keep your back flat and head in a neutral position. Now extend your left arm forward and right leg back, fully straightened. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Return to the starting position and repeat with the opposite side. Start slow. Holding the pose builds balance, posture, and endurance. In fact, this move is so effective, it's a foundation for many Pilates routines. Plank. This targets your core, shoulders, arms, and glutes. No fitness routine is complete without the plank, a deceptively simple but powerful move that engages your entire body. Here's how to master it. Get into push-up position, forearms on the floor, elbows directly under your shoulders. Your feet should be hip-width apart, toes tucked under. Tighten your abs, squeeze your glutes, and hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Start with just 20 seconds and work your way up to 1 minute or more. Fun fact, the current world record for holding a plank is over 8 hours. You don't need to aim that high, but consistency is key. This move will help sculpt your waistline, improve posture, and boost muscular endurance. Dead bug exercise. Targets, core, coordination. Don't let the name scare you. This is a fun and incredibly effective move for building core strength and coordination. To do it, lie flat on your back. Raise your arms straight up toward the ceiling. Bend your knees at 90 degrees so your thighs are perpendicular to the floor. Lower your right arm and left leg simultaneously toward the floor without touching it. Return to center and switch sides. This movement challenges your coordination while activating your deep core muscles. Start with 2 sets of 5 reps and gradually build up to 10 reps per side. It's a favorite among physical therapists and athletes for a reason. Squats. Targets, thighs, hips, glutes, core. Let's be honest, most of us love to hate squats, but the results are undeniable. Squats are one of the most functional and effective lower body exercises, building muscle and improving balance, flexibility, and even metabolism. To perform a proper squat, stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width. Point your toes out about 10 to 20 degrees. Keep your back straight, arms extended forward, and your gaze on a fixed point. Lower your body by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Go down until your hips are just below your knees. Return to standing by pushing through your heels. Begin with bodyweight squats and progress to holding dumbbells or kettlebells. Make sure your knees don't cave in and stay aligned with your feet. Final tips. Doing these 6 exercises consistently, 3 to 5 times a week, will help you burn fat, build lean muscle, improve flexibility, boost core strength, and most importantly, feel more confident and energized. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, just persistent. Every rep counts. Start slow, listen to your body, and challenge yourself a little more each day. Before you go, which of these exercises is your favorite? Have you tried any of them before? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a health tip from Healthforyou. Stay strong, stay consistent, and we'll see you in the next video.